Hi boys and girls, before we begin today for lesson 27 problem set, you are going to need a few things. You are going to need a pencil and you're going to need some crayons. So if you do not have those things near you, please pause this video and go and get them. Alright, here we go. I'm going to be reading you some story problems today. This first one says, Benjamin had 10 bananas. He dropped some of the bananas. Fill in the number bond to show Benjamin's bananas. So you're going to need to decide how many did Benjamin drop and how many did he have in his hands still. And then you're going to be filling in that number bond over here. Okay, when you're done with that, I want you to get your crayons for the next question. Here we go. Savannah has 10 pairs of glasses. 5 are green and the rest are purple. Color and fill in the number bond. Let me read that to you one more time. You're going to need a green and a purple crayon. So if you don't have one of those, pause your video and get them. Welcome back. Savannah has 10 pairs of glasses. 5 are green and the rest are purple. Color the glasses and then come over here and fill in the number bond. How many in all? How many were green? And how many were purple? Xavier had 10 baseballs. Some were white and the rest were gray. Draw the baseballs and color to show how many may be white and gray. Fill in the number bond. Boys and girls, don't forget to draw a math picture showing how you colored the baseballs white and gray. You choose how many are white and how many are gray, but you need to draw that picture in this empty space here. There were 10 dragons playing. Some were flying and some were running. Draw the dragons and fill in the number bond. Boys and girls, remember, we're not going to actually be drawing dragons. That would take way too long. So we're just going to be drawing circles right now in our number bond area. So we're drawing 10 dragons. Some were flying and some were running. Draw the circles for the dragons and then please fill in the number bond. For this page, you are going to be creating your own story of 10. So you're going to draw your story and a number bond to go with it. So you need to think about a story you might want to tell, and it needs to go up to 10. So you need to do a combination of numbers to 10. Draw your story and a number bond to go with it. Have fun.